𝐂𝐒𝐿𝐄𝐄𝐒. Whew. Back at Aliso with Kai Thompson after a long time of vacation time. Straight back into it. The waves look really fun. Woke up this morning and it's just too good to be true. You just gotta go when it's like this.
And I texted you to call you.
Yeah, it's pretty much my wake up call this morning. 7 a.m. bright and early.
You don't even need to set your alarm.
Nope. Somehow he knew I was back in town. I try not to tell him that, but.
The girlfriend Ingrid tells us.
Oh, she ratted me out, man. I was hoping to get a little sleep in this morning, but nope. There's full sets. How is that? No, I'm glad. I'm glad you gave me a wake up call. I know.
I need my mom to get me. So I have my 54.
No, the skim looks really good. I think the skim's just gonna get better. Brandon Sears is on his way down, so we're gonna have him to get tubed with as well.
Amber, Patty.
We got Amber,
Johnny
Patty down
Salsa.
here. Everyone's rolling up right now.
Ooh.
The only people on the beach are skimboarders, which is that's a nice sign. You're doing something right if that's how it's going. Monday morning too. That's good.
It's Tuesday, bruh.
Oh, Tuesday. Sorry, losing track of days here.
Yeah, you got.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with skim contests this year. I think
Oktoberfest is in September.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well,
that's what I heard.
Spread rumors about skim contests starting up again. As of right now, I don't know if anyone has permits at all for skim contests. Yeah. Usually I think the Vic contest would have happened by now, but they struggled with getting permits in Laguna. Yeah, buddy. Mid-session recap. My legs are already hurting because I haven't skimmed in like a while. This is the most skimming I've done in quite some time. But the waves are on. Thankfully, I haven't pulled a hammy yet. And everyone's getting pretty sweet ones. Water's like 72 degrees. It's almost warmer than Mexico, where I just came from. So this is nice. This is quite a treat. To come home and just go straight back into this, it's nice. And yeah, that's all we got. A couple surf waves here and there too. Okay, back out there. thank you.
George Smith would be proud.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I thought I was gonna air, so the whole time I was preparing for an air, and then last second I'm like, nah, I'm gonna turn. So I wasn't quite prepared for it. I think I could have put a little more into it next time.
Dude, you're gonna be proud when you see it. It was sick. Don't tell people that you're just disclaim it.
I don't know what I was doing. No.
Disclaim it.
Alright, it was a good one.
Dude,
That was a full day.
that was nice.
Yeah, we had some moments this morning. Oh, I think I got some of the best wraps I've had at Aliso in quite some time. Really worked the legs out there today. The slope of the beach was like this. I don't know if you could tell in the video, but probably did like 100 sets of 1,000-step stairs today. And I'm gonna be feeling it tomorrow. But there's still gonna be swell tomorrow, so we are maybe gonna go try to do an ice bath or something. I'm determined to get back out there tomorrow because it should be really fun. Thankfully we had some other people skimming with us today, so we were able to stack some clips with Sears, Kai, Colton, Patty, Salter, Johnny Salta, and yeah, it was just a fantastic morning for skimboarding, and overall 10 out of 10 day for skimboarding at Aliso Beach. Everything lined up pretty fantastically for us this morning. And that was the most running I've done in a long time. So we're going into recovery mode and we're back at it tomorrow. I think tomorrow we're gonna get the winch out and we might try to go attempt the rock hop, the rock drop.
Oh wow.
You remember that one?
Oh, yeah.
I think it could be kind of sick for it tomorrow.
Sure.
And less running because we're just gonna be getting pulled by the winch. So that'll be nice. Yeah, it's kind of a way to cheat, you know? Full cheating style. Use the winch when your legs get too tired. All right, thanks for watching. Stoked to be back in town. What a warm welcoming here. This was great.